Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to guide you through the major market events we're anticipating this packed week. Let's dive right in. First up, a big moment for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the Bitcoin halving, expected this Saturday, or maybe even sooner. Historically, halvings have impacted Bitcoin's price by altering its supply. If you're keeping an eye on digital currencies, this is a pivotal moment you won't want to miss. Moving on to earnings, it's a big week for financial institutions and high-profile companies. We're expecting quarterly reports from the likes of Goldman Sachs, American Express, and Morgan Stanley, along with Bank of America and Charles Schwab. On the tech and consumer front, heavyweights like Netflix, United Airlines, and Procter & Gamble will also share their latest results. These reports will give us a clearer picture of how different sectors are navigating the current economic landscape. Now let's talk about the Fed. With several Federal Reserve officials scheduled to speak, including New York Fed's John Williams and Atlanta Fed's Raphael Bostic, their comments will be closely watched. After last week's market movements and ahead of these talks, investors will be keen for any hints on the direction of U.S. monetary policy. Let's not forget the slew of economic data coming our way. This week, we'll see everything from retail sales and housing starts to the Fed's beige book and jobless claims. All of these have the potential to move markets, especially in a week where investors are already on high alert from earnings and Fed insights. Another thing we will closely monitor this week is the price of oil. Due to the unfortunate events that took place over the weekend between Iran and Israel, this is something that could cause oil prices to skyrocket and could have implications for inflation and ultimately interest rates. So, from the Bitcoin halving and a parade of earnings to important economic indicators and Federal Reserve speeches, this week is stacked with events that could shape the financial markets. Whether you're an investor, a market analyst, or just a finance aficionado, there's plenty to keep an eye on. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I hope you're as ready as I am to tackle this exciting week. Make sure to stay tuned, stay informed, and I'll catch you tomorrow with more updates. Here's to a productive week in the markets. Cheerio.